Today I'm trying to use some leftovers in a creative and delicious way. So I'm making some baked eggs, but with a lot of Greek flavors. So we're using Greek yogurt, eggs, of course, a little bit of salt, and cracked pepper. Now the yogurt will give us a little bit of tang that you wouldn't get from just using milk or cream. Get our base mixed up together well. Chopping up this tomato that was just starting to get a little bit old, but it'll be fine for this. Tomatoes always add brightness and clarity. We'll mix in some peppery arugula. Crush in a few cloves of garlic. And we're going to get some red onion ready too. Let's toss those right in there. Put this in our greased little skillet. Try to get the distribution pretty even. I'm going to top it off with these mini cucumber slices. I just thought it'd be kind of pretty. I wasn't really thinking. I didn't realize it was going to take this much cucumber to cover the whole thing. Just got to keep on chopping. This is when I wish I had a mandolin, not the instrument. Oh yeah, this is going to be beautiful. Finally, I have some old feta cheese, still haven't learned how to pronounce it. And I have some new. This is like a super bright, grassy, floral feta cheese. I love it so much. That's gonna get so melty and nice on top of this. I like a lot of cheese. I bake this at about 350 for 30 minutes. You know, your mileage may vary. Oh yeah, that's looking good. The little browning on the top, the way everything kind of rose and merged together. I love a good sizzle. It's almost like a little crustless quiche. I love how fluffy baked eggs get. But you gotta be really careful because this retains heat. You can burn yourself easily. But I'm so antsy, I just gotta get in there. Oh, that looks so fluffy and delicious. I'm gonna top it with some nice cooling homemade tzatziki sauce. I'll link the recipe for that down below. That's so good, but it's so hot. Tangy, herby, light, but filling. That's a good meal. Baked eggs are just one of my favorite ways to use leftovers because you can make something new and different and delicious every time. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave some of your baked egg ideas in the comments.